Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about add range names. Let's get started. Range name is a name given to a cell or range of cells. To add the range name, click and drag to select the cells. Then click on Formulas tab. And then click on the arrow beside Define Name. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Define Name. The new name pop-up window will appear. Type a meaningful name. Click to select the scope for the name. It is either the workbook level name or a worksheet level name. For this scenario, I will click Sales Quantity. Then click OK. And now the range name is inserted into the Sales Quantity worksheet, and you can see the name is appeared in this area. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.